My mentality in approaching this hoist repair business was building upon what we currently had out there, but at the same time, turning what we did have upside down. I've been directing the operations in our crane manufacturing, our lifting business, and our rigging business for the past 6 months at Mazzella. I learned that you need to provide a need and solve a problem for a customer. You need to do it in a timely manner, and you need to do what you say you're going to do. Address all your problems head on. Do it like the buffalo do. Every other animal out there, when a storm's coming, they run the other way from the storm. But what do the buffalo do? They run to the storm, and they do that because they know they'll get through and out of the storm quicker than anything else. It's going to be hard when you're going through it, but you're going to get out the other side quicker, and you'll be a better person and a better company for it. My buffalo mentality in approaching this hoist repair business was taking the good points of what we had, incorporating those into the new process, and even incorporating the good people that we had doing it into the new process, but also reimagining this business so that customers have a new and unique experience in their hoist repair at Mazzella. We will be able to repair all types of hoist, so chain falls or lever hoist we can repair. We can also do electric hoists. As far as air hoists go, they will not fall into the 48-hour turnaround time for inspections and estimates.
We decided to break this business segment out individually so we could focus on it, build it up, turn it into a profitable business in itself, whereas previously it was just part of a larger entity and may not have been given the attention it needed. And we've set strict parameters on the timeline of repairs from the moment it hits the door, communication with the customer, when the quotes are turned around within 48 hours. After that, we update the customer on lead times, status of the repair, and once the product is finished, ready to be shipped out to them. The processes we've developed will be able to meet the expectations of a customer who sends in 1 unit, a dozen units, or a customer plans on sending in 50 or 100 a week. We made somewhat of a bold or unique move by placing one of our most experienced and knowledgeable crane service fabricators within this hoist repair department to ensure the processes are met and timelines are followed. Along with our experienced technicians, we are bringing in new candidates to go through CM Hoist School training and to better develop more complete staff of inspectors to scale up the business. From the person on the floor inspecting and repairing your hoist to the person sending you the repair quote, all have been trained and qualified as hoist repair technicians.
Outside customers might not know who I am, but I will definitely know who you are. I will make sure that you get your initial email saying that we received your hoist. I'm going to make sure you get that quote within 2 days. Once you receive your PO, I'm going to make sure that we meet the deadlines that you worked out. A big part of my job is to make sure the lines of communication is open between operations and sales to make sure we're meeting all your expectations. When the hoist comes in, we're going to tag that with a red tag with the customer name and date, and from there it's going to go in the hoist area. So off the bat, you know that's a brand new hoist. It hasn't been inspected yet. We're going to put that on a tracker. We're going to provide a quote number to that so we can continue to track it through Adjutant. From there, the hoist repair team will inspect it, and the red tag will turn to a yellow tag, and that will again be a visual aid to let us know, hey, this hoist has been inspected, the date it's been inspected. It helps us keep track of how long that hoist has been here. It's been inspected 2 weeks. What's going on? Do we need to reach back out to the customer? And then from there, once we receive the PO and the work's been done, it gets a green tag, which signifies all the work's been done, and it goes back to shipping to return back to the customer.
When we receive your hoist here at Mazzella, I'll be contacted to see what you sent in and what needs to be repaired, and then I will contact you to acknowledge with you that we have received your product. Once you've had time to review the quote that I send within 48 hours, and if you decide to do the repairs with Mazzella, you'll send me the purchase order. From there, our repair team will begin the process of repairing your hoists. One of the questions you may have is, how much is this repair process going to cost me? The inspection fees are around $35 for a lever or hand chain hoist, and around $100 for an electric hoist per hoist that you send in. We will waive those fees if you choose to have Mazzella repair your hoist. After you've sent your hoist or hoist into Mazzella for repair, I will be available at any time through email or phone to answer questions or talk about any different kind of repairs that you might see fit.
We don't want the hoist to sit here as you don't want the hoist to sit here either. So the faster we can get it back, the faster you can get it back into production. Now, to help us speed up the process, it's highly recommended that the hoist come in with a packing slip. The packing slip should give us your contact information, email, phone number. That'll help us get the hoist back to you and get the proper quote back to you in a timely fashion. We have a huge inventory to offer the parts for your hoist repairs with little to no downtime. We're a distributor for most hoist manufacturers, but even if we come across a hoist that we are not, we can still get the parts at a great discount to pass along to you. We do use OEM parts that are specifically for that particular hoist. There really is no aftermarket parts. Each hoist has its own unique part, and each vendor or manufacturer uses specific parts for that particular hoist.
Our goal is to exceed your expectations in our hoist repair services so that you will continue to come back to us for all your needs.
Whether you're a new customer or a returning customer, you can always expect the same level of service, but as we start to build those relationships, we can better learn to fit your needs and maybe even expand on beyond hoists. We offer a lot of services. We offer traditional rigging, we offer cranes, we offer training services. So as we start to build those relationships, you will find that we can provide a lot for you.